In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a feedback form for an event using Google Forms. This step-by-step guide will enable you to gather valuable insights and opinions from your event attendees effortlessly. So, let's dive in and get started. To begin with, open a web browser on your computer or device and navigate to the Google homepage by typing in www.google.com in your address bar. Once you're there, locate the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of small squares usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various Google applications. Scroll through the list until you see Google Forms, and go ahead and click on it. If for some reason you don't see it right away, remember it's often listed under More in the menu. Now that you're on the Google Forms main page, it's time to start a new form. On the left-hand side, you'll see a colorful plus sign under the Start a New Form section. Click on this icon to open a blank form. You'll be greeted with a clean, fresh canvas just waiting for you to customize. The first thing you should do is give your form a title. Something clear and descriptive like Event Feedback Form works well. To do this, simply click on the words Untitled Form at the top of the page and type in your desired title. Below the title, you'll find a space to add a form description. This is a great opportunity to explain the purpose of the feedback form and guide respondents on how to fill it out effectively. Next, let's add questions to your form. Google Forms provides a default question already. Click on the question field to edit it. You might want to start with something like, how would you rate your overall experience at the event? For this question, choose a response type that fits, such as a linear scale, where attendees can rate their experience on a scale from 1 to 5. To add more questions, hover near the first question until a small toolbar appears on its right. Click the plus sign to insert a new question. Continue adding questions that help you capture the insights you need. Consider including open-ended questions like, what did you enjoy most about the event? Or multiple-choice questions like, which of the following activities did you participate in? After you've added all your questions, remember to customize the settings of your form. Click on the gear icon at the top right to adjust options such as making certain questions mandatory or allowing respondents to submit additional feedback. Finally, it's time to send your form out into the world. Click on the Send button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can choose to share your feedback form via email, copy a link to distribute through your own channels, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it. A straightforward, user-friendly feedback form ready to capture the opinions of your event attendees using Google Forms. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form creating.